I was a little bit skeptical to get Revlon because I had one of the flat brushes, and after a year it started like really smoking, so I was hesitant to get Revlon again. But I decided, all right, let's just try it. And y'all, game changer for the little one, game changer for the little one's hair. Let me show y'all.
For me, baby, if you dare, maybe then it would show me that you care.